How to report someone on Instagram. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to report someone on Instagram. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Instagram app. If you want to report someone, just go to their profile. Then tap on the three dots at the top right corner. In appearance menu you need to tap on Report. And then you need to tap on the second option, Report Account. Now you should choose the reason why you report this account. For example, you can tap on the first option. Here you just need to choose one and tap on it. Also you can go back and tap on It is pretending to be someone else. Here you need to choose one again, but tap on Submit Report at the bottom. The last option just doesn't work. And that's all. It was how to report someone on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.